So I'm gonna count down from 10 to 0. But then you should know I don't really wanna take it slow. So if you love me, let's go. I'm gonna count down from 10 to 0. But then you should know I don't really wanna take it slow. So if you love me, let's go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I have just I will be reviewing the Nicka Key Poison Apple mini palette, and this is the palette right here. This is the look that it came up with. So it's a very pretty palette. I really love the shades and the color in here. I really love the colors in here. It is very pretty, and this is how the palette looks. There's some orange, some pinks, and some brown and copper. So guys, this is how the palette looks. It's very pretty. And this is the packaging. So this palette is pretty cute. I did pick up a couple. So yeah guys, if you all are interested in this video, then stay tuned guys. So guys, the pigmentation in this palette is pretty good. I did not get any fallout. It's very creamy. Oh my god guys, I really love this palette, and I really glad that I picked up a couple. I love the consistency in this palette. The color payoff is on point. Everything gorgeous. It just make me look so, it's very, I really love this palette. This palette is great. So guys, if you all are interested in this palette, I'll leave a link down below in the description bar. This video wasn't a full face look. I just did my eyes because I wanted to concentrate on the palette. So if you are looking for a foundation routine, I will leave that link down below in the description bar. So yeah guys, I hope you all did enjoy this video, and I want to say thanks to all my new subscribers. Guys, you've been great. If you did love this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you beauties in the next one. Bye guys.